Hi, this is Angela Clark with Threadbuckle Quilting, and today I want to talk to you about how to delete a folder that you no longer want in your quilt path. So I have a folder here that says want to delete on it, and this is the one I want to get rid of. I can't actually delete that inside of Quilt Path. I need to go into Windows to do that. So what I need to look at is where the folder is installed. So you're going to see at the top that this happens to be on my D drive. It's in my Powered by QuiltCAD version 5 folder, in the Patterns folder, and in the Continuous Line folder. Your system is most likely just going to say C Powered by QuiltCAD Patterns, and then it may say Continuous Line or something other than that. But by default, Quilt Path is installed to your C drive, and the main folder is typically just called Powered by QuiltCAD. So I've exited Quilt Path completely. And where I want to go is down to this folder on the bottom of my Windows start bar. Once you're in this PC, you're going to go to the folder that you saw at the top of your Quilt Path screen. So I'm going to go into my D drive, go to my Powered by QuiltCAD version 5 folder, and then into my Patterns directory, and then into my Continuous Line directory. I'm then going to see my want to delete folder, and I'm going to tap on it once. I don't want to open it, I just want to delete it. So once I tap on delete, on Windows 11, you're going to see the delete symbol at the top. On Windows 10, there'll be a home tab that you can go to, and then you can choose delete. If you have your stylus, you can tap with your stylus holding in the button on the side, and you will get a drop down window, and then you can choose delete. On Windows 10, delete would be actually in the word choices below, but all you need to do is delete this here, and then when you go back into Quilt Path, your folder will be gone. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing to our channel, tapping like on your videos, and we love to get comments on Quilt Path and also what you would like to see us do next.